Focuses on the study of higher mental process. A. Social. B. Cognitive. C. Research. D. Experimental. Correct answer is B. Cognitive. The cognitive structure comprises schemata that determine the quality of one's interactions with the environment. A. Piaget. B. Carl Rogers. C. Hull. D. Tolman. Correct answer is A. Piaget. Piaget wrote books about the child's conceptions of causality, reality, time, morality, and space, all showing the influence of thought. Hull, Kant, Watson, William James. The correct answer is Kant. According to Goldman, the ability to read others accurately is an aspect of A. Emotional intelligence, B. Practical intelligence, C. Artificial intelligence, D. Interpersonal intelligence. The correct answer is B. Practical intelligence. Procedural memory would be affected by damage to the A. Cerebrum, B. Cerebellum, C. Motor cortex, C. Limbic system. The correct answer is cerebellum, B. Memory is that part of long-term memory containing factual information. A. Episodic, B. Semantic, C. Declarative, D. Procedural. The correct answer is C. Declarative. Memory that lasts for only a second or two is long-term memory, short-term memory, adaptive memory, D. Sensory memory. The correct answer is C. Sensory memory. When a new learning interrupts the ability to recall past stored information has been said to occur. A. Proactive interference, B. Disinhibition, C. Retrograde amnesia, D. Retroactive interference. Correct answer is D. Retroactive interference. Recollections about your last birthday are stored in your memory. A. Episodic, C. Semantic, C. Retroactive, D. Short term. The correct answer is episodic memory. Information in long-term memory can be retained up to A. 30 seconds, B. 1 hour, C. Many years, D. 2 seconds. The correct answer is many years, C. Dash. Memory is that part of long-term memory made up of conditioned responses and learned skills. A. Episodic, B. Semantic, C. Fact, D. Skill. The correct answer is D. Skill. Drawing conclusion on the basis of formal principles of reasoning is termed A. Inductive thought, B. Deductive thought, C. Logical thought, D. Illogical thought. The correct answer is logical thought, C. The term cognition includes A. Thinking, problem solving, reasoning, and dreaming, B. Classical and instrumental conditioning, C. The use of memory system, D. An active process by which sensory input is selected, organized, and integrated. The correct answer is A. Cognition term includes thinking, problem solving, reasoning, and dreaming. Who is responsible for the development and design of first useful individual test of intelligence is A. Freud, B. Terman, C. Binet, D. Wessler. Correct answer is C. Binet. The term G factor written about by Nazar refers to general factors, general abilities, grandeur factors, group factors. The correct answer is general ability. Culture-free tests of intelligence were developed by Galton, Spencer, Cattell, Wessler. The correct answer is C. Cattell. Which of the following constructs of intelligence is proposed by Gardner? A. Bodily kinesthetic, B. Psychological, C. Crystallized, D. Cultural. Correct answer is A. Bodily kinesthetic tense. Who proposed that the G factor presents the highest order common factor among individual differences in IQs? A. Chomsky, B. Spearman, C. Skinner, D. Binet. The correct answer is B. Spearman. Crystallized intelligence develops: A. Independent of education, B. Based on one's culture, C. From chemical reaction, D. From biological evolutions. The correct answer is B. Based on one's culture. J.P. Guilford multiple factor theory is a two-dimensional theory, three-dimensional theory, four-dimensional theory, none of the above. The correct answer is B. Three-dimensional theory. Who viewed that intelligence is an adaptive process that involves interplay of biological maturation and interaction with the environment? David Batchelor, Jean Piaget, Lewis Terman, Jerome Bruner. The correct answer is Lewis Terman.